Hey, beautiful souls, and welcome back to Goddess Frequency Affirmations. I'm Nova, and if you're new here, this is your sacred space for leveling up your mindset and stepping into your highest vibration. We just finished a little movement flow, and while my body feels strong, my frequency is feeling even more powerful. Today we're diving into the absolute manifestation OG, Neville Goddard. His method is the backbone of everything we talk about here at Goddess Frequency. Forget trying to get what you want. Neville teaches us that you have to assume it's already yours. You have to live in the feeling of the wish fulfilled. You aren't chasing the dream. You're embodying the version of you who already lives it. Does she wait? No. She is living life like her future self would live it today. Since we're already soaking up this peaceful studio vibe, let's get tactical. Here is how you can reprogram your internal narrative tonight using 3 high-impact steps you can follow at any time in your life. Step 1. Access the hypnagogic gateway. Neville Goddard calls this the state akin to sleep, SATS. But in psychology, we're aiming for the alpha/theta brainwave transition. Whether you're right here on your mat or drifting off in bed, wait for that floaty feeling where your body is heavy but your mind is still awake. This bypasses the critical faculty, that inner skeptic, and leaves your subconscious mind wide open for a total mindset shift. Step 2. Create a neural loop. Pick one tiny, vivid scene that happens after your manifestation is a settled fact. This isn't a long movie, it's a microscript. Maybe it's your bestie saying, "I can't believe you actually did it," or seeing your name on that dream contract. Keep it under 5 seconds and loop it like a mental GIF. By repeating it, you're utilizing Hebbian theory. Neurons that fire together, wire together. Step 3. Lock in somatic realism. This is the secret sauce. While looping that scene, engage your senses to create cognitive congruence. Don't just see it. Feel the weight of your phone in your hand, smell the lavender candles in this room, or feel the literal relief in your chest. When you align your sensory input with your imagination, your brain stops distinguishing between memory and reality. Once it feels 100% real to your heart, the impression is made. And just like that, repeat this daily to really start noticing a shift in what you attract. You'll be able to handle that blessing to the best of your ability because you are already living like you have it. If you're ready to claim your power, I want to know where your focus is tonight. Head to the poll below and tell me, which neural loop are you locking in before sleep? Thanks for hanging out with me in the studio, Goddess. Don't forget to subscribe to Goddess Frequency Affirmations for your daily dose of magic. I love you guys so much. Stay high vibe, and I'll see you in the next flow. Bye!